Hello, this is Don of These Are Trees, and we're out here in Romoland off of Antelope Road. We are going to fall this huge pine tree this morning. It's cracking the wall and breaking up things, and so we got the boom truck out. We're going to piece out a couple branches and drop the whole thing. And then we have the one dump truck and the second dump truck, and we're going to be here ready to rock, dropping this tree here in about 20 minutes, and I'll give you the heads up on the progress. Yeah, it's Labor Day today, Monday, the 7th, I believe, 2010. All right, these are trees ready to get on it. Give us a call if you need tree removed, trim, or diagnosed. Thank you.